cicada pattern. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to start with, well, I could start with 0 here, and then I'm going to click on this cell right here. And up here, if I want to put a math formula, I have to put an equal sign, okay? And then I have to say I want to add to the cell before. I want to add 13 because it says in the book there's a 13-year cicada, right? Watch what happens when I hit enter. Now, if I copy that, so I'm going to just go to copy it. You know, I do a right click and I can copy it. Now I can paste it everywhere. Let's just see. So I'm going to paste. Just hit regular paste. Paste. Is that great?
Yeah.
Quicker than a calculator. Now watch. So I'm going to put a 0 here. Oops. And I want to do a 17-year cicada, right? So I hit the second cell and I have to tell it up here. Right here's where you tell it. When you use an equal sign, you're saying to do math. Right, so to get A1, it's B1 though, so I'm just going to click on it. Watch when I click on B1. Wow, that was impressive that you remembered that, Max. And then I'm going to hit plus, and then this is a 17-year cicada, right? So I just hit enter, and now I have to copy this, so I just go right click. That's how I copy. And then I'm going to go to here, and I go all the way down for a while, right? I went, that's good, probably good enough. And then I'm going to paste it. So I right click and I just hit, whoops, paste. And now I can look and see where they're the same. I still need to do some work, right? But not nearly as much. Because now people, you know, we could look carefully together and see if we see any common numbers. Like, for example, there was nothing in the 90s and in the hundreds here. I don't see any of those hundreds, do you? You saw 221? Okay, so then I bet we could even highlight this. Let's see, is there a cell property? Let's format the cell, or if we can, oh, here we go. We'll paint it. How about that? So there's one. So the question was, when will both cicadas appear together? 221 years. Do you think you could try that at home? Okay, who can walk me through the steps? All right, shh, Mia. So now the next one was so much work. I'm going to go over here. We're going to leave a gap. It was a 14-year cicada. Okay, so Mia's going to tell me how to do it. Let everybody listen. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to say equals.
And then you're going to click the 0 box.
Yep.
And then you're going to go back up to the, oh, yeah. And then you go to the, where it says equals B1.
Right.
And then you put plus 13.
Well, now we're doing 12, 14, and 16. So 12. And this one would be, here we would have to do equals, and now we're going to add 14 because it's a 14-year cicada. What's the last cicada?
16.
Right, so on this one we're going to put an equals, and then we're going to take this cell and add 16. And then I've got to do this one. I'm going to copy it. And then I just select all of these. Takes a while. I'll go to 50. Let's see what happens. And I have to do what? Paste, right? Okay, and then I have to copy the new one, right? You can't copy the 12, you have to copy the 14. And then you go all the way down. This is what people, this is really how people figure things out. They use tools of technology. This is a good problem to use tools of technology. Copy. So did anybody guess? 84? We'll see. You think so? But there's 3 of them. I'm not sure. No 84. You 112, but no 112 here. Help me out.
112.
Any of the hundreds?
So 190. No.
192, but not there.
Wait, what about 224? No.
No.
Wait. I saw 228.
2.
224 is like.
You saw 228? No, not everywhere. How about let's look at the 300s?
There's 228.
But you need 3. We want to know when all 3 of the cicadas come out.
Wait, 336.
336? I see a 336 here.
Down there.
Right here.
Yeah, 36. And then down. 336.
Good eye! Woo! So we're going to do what so we don't have to look so hard next time? Paint it, right? Boom! Nice work, you guys. Okay, so I think, where is my paint bucket? There we go. Okay, that's a good stopping place.